In this video, I will show you how to format a Tableau dashboard. First, log into your Tableau account. Now, go to the top part of your screen and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Workbook. You will see that the formatting options for the workbook will appear on the right side of your screen. This section allows you to adjust the overall look of your dashboard, such as default fonts, colors, and styles used throughout your workbook. Next, go back again to the top menu and click on Format one more time. When the drop-down menu appears, select Captions. You will notice a new panel on the right side of your screen where you can customize even more details, including the worksheet, pane, headers, shading, borders, lines, and styles. You can adjust these settings to match your preferred theme and improve the readability of your dashboard. And that's how to format a Tableau dashboard.